In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a blog. We'll walk through creating your blog in Shopify, writing your first post, and making sure shoppers can find it right from your store's navigation. I'll keep it simple, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to help your content look its best. Start by creating the blog itself. From your Shopify admin, go to Content, then Blog Posts. At the top, click Manage Blogs and choose Add Blog. Give your blog a clear, memorable title. Something like Styling Tips works nicely because it tells readers what to expect. Next, choose your comment management settings. If you want to build community while keeping things clean, consider requiring approval before comments appear. This helps prevent spam and lets you keep conversations high quality. When you're happy with your settings, click Save. Don't worry, you can always change the title or comment preferences later if your content strategy evolves. Now, let's add your first post. Still in Content, open Blog Posts and click Add Blog Post. Enter a compelling title and write your content in the editor. Mix in images where it makes sense. Strong visuals break up text and make your post more engaging. Add a featured image to give the post a polished, clickable look wherever it appears on your site. Write a short excerpt to summarize the post. This is what readers might see on listing pages, so keep it concise and enticing. Add tags to help organize your topics and support SEO. Think of tags as labels that help readers and search engines understand your themes. When you're ready for the post to go live, set the visibility to visible. If you're still drafting, keep it hidden until you're ready. Click Save to finalize. Finally, add your blog to your store's navigation so visitors can find it easily. In your Shopify admin, go to Content, then Menus. Open the menu you want to edit, such as your main menu. Click Add Menu Item. In the link field, choose Blogs, then select the blog you just created. Click Add, and then click Save Menu. This adds a direct link in your navigation, making your content just a click away for shoppers browsing your site. If you want to fine-tune your storefront later, you can rename the menu item to match your brand voice, or reorder it to highlight your content strategy. That's it. Your blog is set up, your first post is ready, and it's visible in your navigation. Keep publishing consistently, use clear titles and helpful tags, and your blog will become a valuable resource for your audience.